Namaskar friends, welcome to Export Import Supply Chain Custom, and today in this session we will understand various type of handling charges. So in export and import case you have seen many times the charges of handling, just like a TSC from shipping line, terminal handling charges. Okay, in the same way handling charges of the ICD, handling charges of the CFS, okay, and also handling charges of the railway. So these are the terminal handling charges, means that at the particular locations your cargo need to be handled. For such situations the particular service provider will charge as a handling charges. Okay, for example if we talk about the air cargo, so in case of handling charges we can consider other than port, just agent will pick your cargo from factory and deliver the cargo at the airport. Okay, so this is also the handling, and in some case you have seen that once the cargo is received at the airport, and airport custodies there are movement of the cargo from warehouse to airline. Okay, so this is the movement also in the handling. So these charges also apply when CHA and freight forwarder bill, okay, send bill. So these charges also need to pay. So these are the charges which we have to pay at the level of airport. Okay, this called the airport handling, or in same way the cargo is handled at the seaport, then it's called a port handling or terminal handling charges from the shipping line. So normally the shipping line charge 10 to 15,000 rupees per containers. Okay, for the sea case, but in air case this charge is very less, just like only 1000, 1000, 2000, and if demurrage applicable then additional charge apply. Okay, so these airport and seaport charges is called the terminal handling charges. Okay, in the same way when your shipment move through the railway, then you have to pay the terminal handling charges to the railway. Okay, because at the after examination of your shipment the cargo hand over by the custom to the railway. Okay, and the railway will handle your cargo at particular locations, then they charge us the handling charges. Okay, so this called a railway conquer handling charges. Now if we talk about the ICD handling, in ICD handling not much charge apply, but we can understand as a once shipment reach at the ICD container depot, your containers reach at the container depot. Okay, so then container need to be unloaded from the trailer of the truck. Okay, so there is a hydra needed for the movement. Okay, so directly we not pay for this terminal handling charges, but agent, custom house agent who handling our shipment at the custom port, who will pay these charges, because these charge may be uh, very we can say very nominal charges, like a 100 rupees or 200 rupees per container movement. Okay, because this is duty under the custom hydra men. Okay, and they already get their payment from the depots. Okay, we can say shipping line yard or custom yard. Okay, but for the emergency, if you need the container first from the yard, then you need to pay that location to the hydra man. Okay, so hydra man will pay the charges, and in such case container, your agent will charge as the container shifting charges. Okay, so this is the also handling charges of the ICD. And now finally CFS charges. Once container is unloaded from the ship, okay, shipping line, and at the seaport, okay, so once the shipment is unloaded, then immediately shipment cargo need to move from seaport to the warehouse. Okay, so in such case what happen, the cargo need to place at such locations where it would be safe. Okay, so for the particular locations is called the container freight station CFS charges. Okay, so in such CFS charges bills, you also found charges of the handling charges. Okay, so these are the type of handling charges in case of air, in case of sea. So mostly we have seen that airport handling charges, seaport handling charges, then ICD, then railway handling charges, and the CFS handling charges. So guys, I hope you have learned some knowledge from this session. And for the more knowledge and more important video, you can go to the playlist of this session and watch the beautiful videos. So guys, thanks for watching the session. Have a nice day.